Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at the HeatMe Pro heater, a tiny plug-in device that promises to warm up your room instantly using advanced ceramic technology, while supposedly slashing your energy bill by 70%. It sounds like a miracle, doesn't it? Because apparently, this little plastic box has figured out physics better than every major appliance manufacturer on Earth. But before you throw out your central heating, let's actually dig into the details. The website claims the HeatMe Pro has been featured on major outlets like CNN, Forbes, and the New York Post. However, there is a tiny catch. There are no links, no screenshots, and absolutely no proof. It's a massive red flag. Honestly, claiming you're famous without proof is a bold move usually reserved for people lying on their first dates. But it's a terrible look for a tech company. If they can't even provide a link to a news article, how can we trust any of their other wild claims? Next, let's talk about their marketing tactics. The site is a frantic mess of exclusive offers, 70% off, and only a few units left. These are classic high-pressure tactics designed to make you panic buy before you have time to realize what's happening. If a website is screaming at you to buy right now, it's usually because they're afraid that if you wait 10 minutes, your common sense might actually kick in. This kind of pushy language should make anyone pause and wonder if the deal is actually as amazing as it looks. When we looked closely at the product images, things got even weirder. Most of the pictures seem to be lazily copied straight from the internet. Real brands usually take their own photos to build trust, but I guess their cutting-edge budget didn't cover a basic camera. The descriptions are also filled with fancy buzzwords like effortless warmth, but offer zero actual technical specifications. They don't mention room size limits or real energy data, which makes the whole thing feel more like a fairy tale than a product manual. Finally, we have the user reviews. Their own website shows nothing but glowing, perfect feedback, but when you check independent sites like Trustpilot or Reddit, there is absolutely nothing. No discussions, no third-party reviews, just silence. Between the lack of verifiable media features, the aggressive sales tactics, and the recycled images, the legitimacy of the HeatMe Pro is incredibly questionable. If you're thinking about buying this, you might be better off just rubbing two sticks together. Be extremely cautious and do your homework first. Thanks for sticking with me, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can keep helping you make smarter choices.